This video is an ASMR meditation. I want to show you how peaceful meditation can be. Stick with me. It's going to be fun. Alright guys, are you ready for this? You can leave your eyes open or closed, whatever you prefer. That's right. Just stay with your breath. Observe your breath as you breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Continuously coming back to your breath over and over again. Be gentle with yourself. Be kind with yourself. Love yourself. Forgive yourself. Just stay right here with me. There's nowhere you need to go. There's nothing you need to do. Guiding your thoughts back to the present moment, over and over again. Isn't that satisfying? Being fully present, fully here in the now. letting everything go. Nothing from the past matters. Nothing in the future matters. Being kind to yourself by honoring yourself. Making a commitment to stay right here, right now. Giving yourself this time. That's right. Just stay right here, right now. Just taking a few more moments to stay here with me. Coming back to your breath over and over whenever you get distracted. It's all about you right now. Take a deep breath. Let it all out. Now set an intention for your day. It can be something like, I'm going to enjoy today. I'm going to feel into my body. I'm going to love and honor myself no matter what. Something like that. Be kind to yourself. Good job. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. Please like, subscribe, share, smash that like button, and check me out on Instagram. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.